Hello, you absolute legends. Blood serum testosterone levels for males at the ages of, up to the age of 50, like 18 to 50. The high is 836, and the low is about 249. And as we get older, they drop as we get older. The high and the low end ranges for males. Now, these numbers are pretty useless because they don't have the units attached to them. So both of these have the same units because one's the high, one's the low. Nanograms. Nanograms. Let me write that all out. Per deciliter. Well, I hope I'm spelling that right. So this is a rough graph trying to show the nanograms per deciliter of your age over time. Let's look at these units. Nanograms per deciliter. Let's consider that organizations have said that 10 nanomoles per liter or lower, let me put a divider here, that's nanomoles per liter. The IOC has said that testosterone levels of 10 nanomoles per liter or lower qualify for female at sports. Let's look at these units and compare these units to one another because the magnitude of the numbers cannot be evaluated appropriately until we are in similar base units. So the low end number of 249 nanograms per deciliter, let's convert that into nanomoles per liter, these units, and then compare them. We want nanograms over deciliter. Let's start with that in our scaffold. Nanograms per deciliter. And at the end, we want our units in nanomoles per liter. Well, deciliter to liter, I'm just going to do that conversion. That's simple. I'm going to definitely do that one. There are 10 deciliters in 1 liter. There's the marker, I'm sorry. Excuse me. Nanograms per liter, getting closer. So nanograms is what I have, and I'm trying to get it into nanomoles. So grams to mole, a unit that contains both grams and moles, our molecular weight. Because we're talking about the molecule, I did not spell that correctly, but that's supposed to be the word testosterone. Because we're talking about the molecule testosterone, it has C19H28O2. It has a molecular weight of 288. C19H28O2. I'm not going to try to draw that right now, but 288 point. Let's just say 288 grams per mole. That is the molecular weight of testosterone. Boom. It's a basic 4 steroid nucleus of testosterone there, and it's got, ketone over here. Those are A, B, C, D. Each a 1-letter designation to describe which ring of the steroid nucleus you're referring to. It has a molecular weight of 288 grams per mole. We want to make grams cancel. So 288 grams per mole. Ooh. Oh, wait a minute. This doesn't cancel. Excuse me. They are closely related to one another, but I do need to do the conversion. Nano, 10 to the negative 9. There are 10 to the 9 nanograms for every 1 gram in there. Nanograms cancels from the half quart. Grams cancels here. So close. I have moles over liters. So if I were to pick up my calculator right now, I could punch it in and get a number out. And that's the great thing about calculators, that they always give you a number. But this number would be in the number of moles per liter. So close to what we're looking for. Nanomoles per liter. For every 1 mole, there are 10 to the 9 nanomoles. Apologize for the handwriting. Moles cancels. So now if we pick up our calculator, we would have the units. We have our scaffold, the units in our scaffold match what we're looking for, nanomoles per liter. Before we pick up our calculator, we can pick up a couple math tricks on here. We should note that units are canceled out here. Look at this, 10 to the 9 in the numerator and 10 to the 9 in the denominator. As ugly as that feels to write that in, it ends up canceling out. So I wouldn't have to plug that into my calculator. The same reason you wouldn't plug these ones into the calculator, because they cancel each other out. So when you calculate this out, you will get the low end limit for free blood serum of testosterone or males that have been observed. Hope this helps. Thank you.